In this lecture, we're gonna discuss about the success theory in stock photography. I have researched on couple of successful stock photographers and found the reasons, found the points why they are being successful in stock photography. Success in stock photography relies on several cool criteria. Those I list in this lecture. First of all, stock photography is a number game. The more quality of images you have in your stock, there are more chances, there are more scopes to be successful yourself in stock photography. Success in stock photography depends on major 4 criteria. These are quality of images, quantity of images, low competition area, high buyer request. Now meet with several successful stock photographers. Kathy Willett makes a living traveling all the world and taking photos. She earns more than 20k USD per month. Suggestion from Kathy for stock photographers. Enjoy taking photos. Just meet with Ushiko. Ushiko earns 15k USD per month from stock photography. There are a couple of suggestions from Ushiko. Enjoy taking photos. Invest time and money on a stock photo and research hot selling images. And next meet with Xiang Tao. Xiang Tao earns 12k bucks per month. And suggestions from Xiang Tao: keep working and improve continuously and aim to get good results from stock photos, not in the short run but in the long run, such as the year. What we learned from this lecture, we have learned a couple of things, couple of points from this lecture. Number 1, stock photography is a number game. Number 2, find the low competition area through market analysis and find the higher buyer request area. And number 3, research hot selling images. Why those images are being sold so much. Number 4, enjoy taking photos and improve yourself continuously. And number 5, have patience for better income. Work minimum 1 year to get targeted output in your domain.